you start growing your hair, this video is for you. So I'm using castor oil, guys, to grow my hair. I've been cutting my hair and it's been about a month now, but I'm seeing the difference. So I will give you the details of how I use this, the benefits. Castor oil is different. It's got various types. So we've got black castor oil, we've got the Jamaican castor oil, and we've got the castor oil. So all these castor oil are from the castor oil leaves and also the beans. So it's the mix of 40% of the beans and 60% of the leaves. So it's all blend, either is processed and is not processed. So let's start with Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil, guys, it is roasted and it's also crushed, meaning like it is not like processed. So there is a lot of stages where it reaches so that it end up being processed. So that's why they describe it as the one that is the best. But I will also say even the one that is not that is also processed or roasted, as well as black castor oil as castor oil that I'm using, I would say it's also great for your hair. So guys, with all these, guys, what I've realized is that sometimes hair growth depends on you, on how you take care of your hair. So what I'll say, through all this process, I've realized that what makes it great, what makes black castor oil great, what makes Jamaican castor oil great, what makes the castor oil, that one that is fresh, that is that's from the seeds, also great, the one that is cold pressed. I think this is the one that is cold pressed, the one that I'm using here. So what makes it great is that castor oil like control hair loss. One thing I've noticed is that it's control hair loss, it thickens the hair, guys. Like it helps to treat the dandruff, because I don't have dandruff, guys. Like it's less when you find me having like dandruff on my hair, and it also repairs split ends. And remember, what I like about that repairing the split end is that when it repairs the split ends, that means you have a length retention, because sometimes split end is the one that hinders us from getting that length into our hair. So it also enhances hair growth. Who don't want hair growth? Who do not want hair growth in their hair? So as I'm starting this journey, guys, watch this channel, watch me through. I've been having a long hair before, but through some life challenges then that happened to my life, then I cut my hair. But I'm in a process of regrowing it. So let's grow this hair together, guys. Let's go in this journey. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's also true, because it's not the first time I'm using castor oil. I've been using it previously, and the things that I'm talking about have worked for my hair. It also boosts the hair growth, because we want the hair growth to be boosted, guys. Who do not want the hair growth in our hair? It improves the hydration, make the hair appear like thicker, and we want thicker hair. We don't want thinning hair. So others go as far as using shampoo, which creates like thicker hair. So while you are using the shampoo, also use the castor oil. Like it's contained oleic and inoleic acid, and also like some fatty acid, which can inhibit a product into a low DHT. Everyone may be hating this for the first time, but DHT is the hormone that plays a role in hair products. It's not a thing which will like give you a clear like description on that, but What I can tell is when you use product, research about it, know about it. I always say that the question will be, then I'm having castor oil with all these benefits. You're saying it. Then what? How I can use it? How I can use that castor oil? Okay, I have castor oil. How can I use it? One, how I will tell you how I use it, and it has worked for me. I massage my scalp, guys. I massage my scalp into 1 or 2 times a week, and it helps. It also helps with the hairline. I massage my hairline once or twice a day. The day I did that is when I was having hairline receding, but now I do it 3 times or twice a week. So you will look what is your problem is. So, and also what I do, I also apply it and keep it for 20 minutes as in a hot oil treatment. Then I rinse it off because like they like I mix it with amla, I mix it with peppermint, so I also mix it with olive oil. So the reason I wash my hair is because they were like for the oil product buildup, so I don't want that. If I use it as a hot oil, I do keep it for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, then rinse my hair. But if I'm just using it not as a hot oil treatment, I massage my scalp, then apply it, then sit with it and not like rinse my hair. So another question would be, people will be asking me is that, okay, the big question will be how long can I see the result? How long can I see the result? I think you can see the result with me, guys. Why I'm saying that is because I cut my hair recently, and look how fast my hair is growing. Look how fast my hair is growing. Like I'll insert the stages of the picture, but it's growing fast. That means there's that impact that is happening. So guys, with that, I would say you start to see it by month. You will start to see it's as far as 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, but if you keep using it. So guys, I would say let's have products. When we have products, let's take advantage of it. Research about the product and also use them in different way. Do not have a product and you find out the only way you're using a product is just that you apply it on your hair, while there's other ways you can apply it, but not in a way that we all used to know, that you just apply and apply. So guys, while we're still in there, thank you guys for watching. Check for other videos. Much love. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, your comments. I think can check this channel too far. When you view this channel, make sure that you you comment, let's engage, share with me. Have you used the castor oil, which is a cold press? Have you used the castor oil, which is a black castor oil, or a Jamaican black castor oil? Much love, see you in the next video, and bye.